If you're getting the something went wrong and Microsoft Store failed to initialize error, start by fixing your date and time settings. Right-click on Date and Time at the bottom right, open Adjust Date and Time, turn on Set Time Zone Automatically and Set Time Automatically, then click Sync Now. Also make sure your correct country is selected under Language and Region. Next, clear Microsoft Store cache using WS Reset by typing WS Reset in Windows Search and running it. This will reopen Microsoft Store automatically. If the problem continues, download and run the Gaming Services Repair tool from the official Microsoft website. Let the repair complete until it shows completed successfully. Then, repair or reset Microsoft Store from App Settings by clicking Terminate, then Repair, and if needed, reset. Set Windows Update, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, and Microsoft Store Install Service to Automatic, start them, and restart each service. Run the provided PowerShell command as administrator to reinstall default Windows apps. Ignore any red errors during the process. If still not working, try installing apps from Microsoft Store Library or Download section, then update Windows and run inetcpl.cpl command to ensure TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3 are enabled. As a final step, update Windows fully. One of these steps should fix the Microsoft Store initialization error. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.